To transfer Solana from Crypto.com to a Coinbase wallet. The process is straightforward and quick. Start by opening the Crypto.com app and navigating to the account option at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the Crypto Wallet option. Then use the search icon to find Solana. Or scroll through the list of cryptocurrencies. Once found, click on it, and then click the Transfer button. A window will appear with deposit and withdraw options. Select Withdraw. Choose the External Wallet option. Then click the Add Wallet Address link. Select Solana from the list of cryptocurrencies, and paste the wallet address from the Coinbase wallet in the provided area. To find the wallet address, open the Coinbase wallet. Click the search icon. Search for Solana, and select it from the results. Click the Ratio button to obtain the wallet address. Then copy it. Return to Crypto.com. Paste the wallet address. Enter a wallet name, and click Continue. Select the Withdraw option. Enter the transfer amount, and confirm the withdrawal, ensuring the network type matches on both Crypto.com and the Coinbase wallet, as a mismatch can result in loss of cryptocurrency. After verifying the details, click Confirm to complete the transfer of Solana from Crypto.com to the Coinbase wallet.